here's how to create this animated parallax color isolation in Premiere Pro. Go over to Effect Controls and increase the value of scale to 120. Then duplicate your clip by holding the Alt key and dragging it to the track above. With the top clip highlighted, select the Pen tool under the Opacity section. Now draw an outline around the object that you want to isolate. Click the stopwatch icon next to Scale to set your first keyframe. Then move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and increase the scale value to 140. Now highlight the bottom clip and move your timeline slider back to the start. Click the stopwatch icon next to Scale for this clip too. Move your timeline slider ahead a few seconds and decrease the scale value to 100. To create color isolation effect, go over to Lumetri Color and expand the basic correction section. Then lower the saturation all the way down to 0.